Welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Remedies channel, your ultimate guide to natural remedies and DIY solutions. We're all about harnessing the power of nature, offering you practical and easy-to-follow solutions for everyday wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY anti-inflammatory essential oil blends, a natural approach to soothing inflammation and promoting overall health. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Today, we delve into the world of anti-inflammatory essential oil blends. What are they and how do they work? These are specially curated mixtures of essential oils, known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. They work by interacting with our body's immune system, helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Now, why are we talking about them? These blends are a natural, chemical-free alternative to many over-the-counter treatments. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the power of nature. But it's time to remember. When we use natural ingredients, we're not just avoiding potentially harmful chemicals, but also tapping into centuries of traditional wisdom. The beauty of these DIY blends lies in their simplicity. You can easily create them at home, customizing to fit your specific needs. Beyond the health benefits, there's a certain joy in creating something with your own hands, isn't there? Creating your own anti-inflammatory essential oil blend is easier than you think. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to creating your own anti-inflammatory essential oil blends. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need essential oils such as lavender, frankincense, and eucalyptus, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Make sure you also have a carrier oil on hand, like almond or jojoba oil, to dilute the essential oils and make them safe for skin application. Step 1 is to prepare your blend. Start with your carrier oil. Pour about 4 tablespoons into a dark glass bottle. A dark bottle helps protect the oil from light, which can degrade the oil over time. Next, add your essential oils. For a potent blend, you might want to use about 10 drops of each essential oil. However, if you prefer a milder fragrance or if your skin is sensitive, you might want to use fewer drops. Remember, it's always best to start with less and add more if needed. Now on to step 2, mixing your blend. Simply cap your bottle and give it a good shake. This helps to thoroughly mix your oils together. It's a good idea to shake your bottle before each use to ensure the oils are well combined. The third step is applying your blend. Always perform a patch test to ensure your skin won't react negatively to the oils. If all is well, you can apply the blend to areas of your body that are experiencing inflammation. Remember, essential oils are potent, so a little goes a long way. Finally, storing your blend is crucial. Keep it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. If stored correctly, your blend should last up to 6 months. It's important to note that while these blends can help soothe inflammation, they should not replace any prescribed medication or treatment plan. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new natural remedies. And there you have it, your very own DIY anti-inflammatory essential oil blend. Let's quickly recap the steps and discuss the benefits of your DIY blend. You've combined select essential oils, each with their own natural anti-inflammatory properties, into one potent blend. This DIY approach allows you to tailor the blend to your specific needs, ensuring the most effective relief. Using this natural remedy, you're harnessing the power of nature to combat inflammation. Remember, nature has a remedy for almost everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover natural remedies.